Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about Cliniko. Now this is going to be a beginner's tutorial. Before we get started, let's talk about the pricing. So this is going to be how it should look like and how much it costs. For one practitioner, that will be $45 per month. 2 to 5 would be $95 and so on and so forth. Now these are going to be under United States or USD. Take note about that one, okay? So how does the 30-day free trial work? So you can just create an account in a few seconds and enjoy Cliniko for free 30 days. So when your trial comes to an end, add your billing details to continue your subscriptions. You'll be billed accordingly to how many practitioners there are in your business. So the most frequently asked question, are there fees up front? So there won't be any fees up front, and then let's try it out. So what is this basically? So this is a software for clinical practitioners, basically helping them to make a brand new work easier. So your records are saved, unlimited free support, customer service is good, and basically for that one, some real updates and free for 30 days. So let's try this one for free. I'm going to name mine Sample Clinic, just for the sake of the discussion. And for this one, I'm just going to type in my dummy Google account for me to use this one. I'm just going to add a password here. So basically, I'm just creating an account there. Wait for it to finish. Click accept. Wait for this to right here because they're still checking. I think they should be good. And click create an account. I'll get back to you once it's finished. So welcome back to the video. Now this is going to be the first thing you're going to prompt with. The first name, last name, and location. In here, I'm going to click the first name. I'm just going to type in here. I'm going to go for Anthony and start there. Click OK, let's go. Now this is how it should look like inside. So you're using right now a trial. 1 month or 30 days left for the free trial subscriptions. After that one, if you want to continue, you're going to have to input your credit card payment informations or any other information for payment. First thing I'm going to look right now is go to Pages Settings and looking for a dark theme. I think they don't have that one. Well, anyway, on the left side, we have dashboard. We have appointments, some patients, some invoices, payments, products, expenses, contacts, communications, reports. That is actually really good. I didn't expect that one. Settings, and of course, help. And they're really prideful on their help category. We have a chat with us, how-to guidelines, and community. So customer service for this one are 24/7, and they're really good. Well, let's start with the dashboard. What is your dashboard? So in here, new message, I'm going to type in here sample message. If I click on post message here, so anyone inside this website or this collaboration website under Cliniko will see my message. And someone else can write a reply. For example, sample reply, post a reply, so anyone can see this conversation. It's like a bulletin board. That pencil icon there can edit the message. You can also delete it if you want. Click OK, and that is deleted. As you can see here, this is your internal message board, where you can write messages to other people's account. You can also make comments. So basically, it's a great place for discussions, just like a bulletin board. That's the message board for you. Left side or rather right side here, you can have your draft treatment notes. So as of now, there are no treatment notes here, as well as recent SMS replies from patients. So the dashboard is basically an overview. The SMS replies here are from patients asking or inquiring for your services, treatments right here, and of course the bulletin boards right there. That's a dashboard for you. Appointments. I think this is one of the most main reason why Cliniko is connected and created. To utilize the project management tool for appointments. Left side is the calendar. I think they have a 2 months interval. Waitlist right there. You can see how much or how many are waiting for you. You can skip ahead. Actually, this is good. This one right here, I love this one. Practitioners, you can add one, and that is where the prices for the subscription changes. So if you're working as an enterprise and you have 5 or 10 practitioners, this one right here, the collaborative project management, is now different and costly. Availability, you can filter them. For example, unavailable block, adjust schedule, and so on and so forth. And you're going to see right here, one admin or one manager can manage 5 to 10 practitioners all in one time. all in their appointments, all in their workload, and so on and so forth. Patients. Now, these are going to be, as the name suggests, a patient. If I add a patient here, let's just say Mr. I'm going to go for Tony here, start there. Last name, I'm going to go for Iron Man, just for the sake of the discussion. Date of birth, I'm going to go for 2 Feb, and I'm going to go for 19. Let's go for 1999. And I'm going to go for male. Gender identity, I'm going to go for man here. Pronouns, I'm going to leave it as it is. Everything as it is. And I think this should do it. So you can see right here, it's very detailed. The contact information here. Some appointment notes. Let me try this one. I'm going to go for sample notes. As well as some emails here. I'm going to just fill it up so it won't really make an error. I think I should be good enough here. Even the invoice are going to be right there. So one inpatient record is complete from top to bottom. From A to Z. Even your Medicare number is right there. How awesome, right? Well, if you're referring to a doctor, you don't have any contacts, you could create a contact now. Save patient. And that is my first patient record. If I go back to dashboard here, I still don't have a message from a patient since that one is a sample patient from earlier. Invoices right here. As the name suggests, you can check every existing invoices. You can also create one right there. So payments. This is, as the name suggests, a payment section where you can check your payments. Product expenses as well as contacts are now self-explanatory. You can find everything here in terms of contacts. I just want to highlight this one, reports. So you're going to see right here how much you have gained each month. For example, in terms of patient, from August up to now, I have gained 1. Appointments, I have gained 0 since there's no appointments just yet. Marketing, I have gained 1 since I have gained a patient. So these are going to be the charts wherein you're going to know if your business is good or bad. You can check upcoming birthdays, recalls, some appointment schedules, and so on and so forth. Although, the one thing I wish that's there going to be here is that you can edit the graph. You can add some more, just like an Excel file. You can change the color, make it more specific as well. However, right now it's barely fixed. But it's good though, you can still check your appointments, your patients, and transactions. So I think that's going to be it. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.